I'm Elin Phillips.
And I'm Joanna Hickman.
The king got cheated by his wife, so he's decided to marry one woman for one night only and then have her beheaded in the morning. So she's decided, my character Shahrazad will try to marry the king and divert his and try to gain his trust and love by telling stories. So every story has to be a good one.
Yeah, she's got to keep him hooked. So.
Yeah.
With little sister.
And my little sister Dinarzad is asking me a story every day as well.
Yeah. So I think we're doing about 50 characters between...
Yes.
8 of us, is it?
7, actually.
7?
I love... Elin plays this character, but Abu Hassan and his story. Abu Hassan who broke a wind. I think that's my favourite character in the whole. Just because it does what it says on the screen.
Yeah. I get to play someone who dances with a ghoul. Looking forward to that.
Yeah. There's so many different various characters, and they're all really... Some are really funny and comical. Some are really... scary, actually. There are quite dark elements to the piece as well.
Yeah. We're just exploring it at the moment, how cartoonish, how big, how small to make it. Yeah, I'm a cellist.
Yeah, I'm a flautist. But then a lot of people can sing, or
there should be a lot of percussion as well.
Yeah, a lot of percussion. Yeah. The plan is for us all to be on stage throughout the show, so it's just going to be grab a hat, grab a thing, and this backpack is a donkey or something, you know, just use the imagination and the storytelling rather than props.